Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data without internet. First, let's define what we mean by offline data. It's any information stored directly on your device, accessible without an active connection. To prepare, identify the data you'll need, such as documents, music, or maps. This proactive approach ensures you're always ready, whether you're traveling, experiencing an outage, or simply want to reduce your reliance on constant connectivity. It offers immense flexibility and peace of mind. To store data locally, begin by downloading files directly to your device. Think about movies, music albums, or important documents. For larger collections, consider external storage like a USB drive, which can hold hundreds of gigabytes, or an SD card for your phone. Many cloud services also offer an offline sync option, allowing you to access your files even when your internet connection is completely absent. This method is crucial for reliable access. Many popular applications are designed with offline capabilities. For instance, navigation apps like Google Maps allow you to download entire regions, providing turn-by-turn directions without data. Music streaming services often let you download playlists for hours of listening. Document editors can save your work locally, ensuring you can continue writing or editing. Always check in app settings for an offline mode or download option to maximize its utility when disconnected. To make the most of your offline data, planning is key. Before you anticipate losing internet, download everything you might need. Set a reminder to periodically update your downloaded content, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to keep it current. When using offline features, remember to conserve battery life. Turn off Wi-Fi and cellular data if not needed. This thoughtful preparation ensures you have consistent, reliable access to your essential information, no matter where you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.